Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Lust Goddess promo code for PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser, then head on over to Google, and now type in Lust Goddess promo code, and you can put in the year that you're in, so 2025. Then from here, scroll down, and probably the best place to get this, because typical third-party sites like Real Tell Me Not, Don't Pay Full, etc. don't have these at the moment, so Reddit is your best place. So as you can see here, the Lust Goddess promo code posted 6 months ago. So now if we go into here, click on the blue button and then scroll down, and then you're going to see all these different promo codes. And you can see this one was 14 days ago, time recording a few months ago. So just go through them, and if one doesn't work, just move on to the next one.